All right, hi folks, welcome to Wild Welding, where we take on the most extreme fit-ups from the toughest, most extreme welds on the 1G position. Fit-ups like high-low from 1/8 to 1/16, wild gaps from 1/16 to 532. I'm Ringo Gonzalez, Director of Welding Innovations, and I'll be showing you how it's done today. Okay, on this particular joint here, we have a standard wall thickness to a extra heavy wall thickness. The difference is at least 1/8 all around. So I'm gonna do that with a recipe that I've created, and I'm also going to adapt live. I'm hoping to get 90% of this joint fully penetrated and nicely fused on both sides, on the inside and the outside. We'll see if we can accomplish that. I think the capability is here, so it's a matter of doing it right now and finding out. So I'm gonna show you the high-low fit up here. Okay, so this pipe here is a complete misfit because this wall is way thicker than this wall, and you can see the internal high-low we already showed you. I'm about 1 o'clock here with my torch. Ignore this, this is a prototype. We're not selling this yet, but it does a nice job to protect us from the arc. Alright folks, so as you saw, we just did an extreme situation of high-low with this extra heavy to a standard wall pipe, and we managed it quite well considering we haven't done this too much here. Honestly, we did a little trial on one pipe here just to see if we could actually bridge that gap properly for a couple of sections. Then we went straight on to this pipe, and that was this morning. So it goes to show the capability of our technology. We enable welders to do extreme fit-ups in situations where you have no options. We enable you to get the job done with all these extreme scenarios. This is not how you want to operate day to day, because you're not going to get your productivity and your numbers. It's going to slow you down. But in terms of capability, we're more than capable of taking on these large gaps, extreme high-low, and wild fit-up. So this is a wild misfit situation here, and we got away with it, even with a stop-start.